Hey everyone, it's Sim here from the Fusing Shop. In this glass blowing video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute little teardrop pendant. See if I can get it in the camera here. This is really easy to make. It's a good beginner project, and I'm going to show you how to make it right now. The first thing to start this project is to make a gather. Our favorite thing when making pendants is to gather up that glass. And right now I'm using a pink rod. It's a clear pink rod, and it is import, and it's about 10 millimeters in thickness to start. So that's a pretty good size to start with when you're making these pendants. And I'm choosing out a color as I'm spinning that on the rollers. And I like to mix pink with purple. I think that makes a really nice color combination. And this purple is an opaque purple, so it'll look really nice with that clear pink. And here I'm just smushing it on my marver. I'm going to kind of make it like a cube shape. So it looks like a little cube on the end, and I'm going to go ahead and lay a bead of purple right around the edge of my cube. So I just go in with the flame, get a little bit of glass hot at the tip, and then just go around the outside of the cube. And I leave the middle of it translucent pink. And in a second here, I'm going to connect the punty, and we're going to twist this up. But for now, I'm just melting that color in. This way it makes a nice smooth transition. So melt it in. It's not critical to make it into a cube, keep it as a cube at this point. So if it starts to round out, then that's nothing to worry about. Okay, here I'm attaching my cold seal punty. And now I'm just going to rotate in the fire, get that ball nice and hot. And as it gets hot, the glass will start to move. And I'm just going to give it some twists in there. Twist, 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 twist. Go in for a little bit more. Check how it looks. And now I'm going to go ahead and put that glass on my roller. If you don't have a roller, you could just rotate the glass in the flame by hand. And this will get it to even out that glass and melt it all together. And just take your time, rotate it in the flame, keep it in one spot. Okay, so while I'm rotating that glass and getting it nice and hot, let's do a dad joke for this video. And I saw a really funny one here. It says, what's the best way to catch a fish? Have someone throw it to you. Okay, jokes aside, what I'm doing now is just letting that glass hang down and let gravity pull it into a drop shape. And just showing you what that swirl looks like. Pretty cool. Now all that's left to do is attach a cold seal punty and make the loop. Again, letting that glass droop down a little bit. Taking off getting a nice clean punty ready. Attaching, not attaching the two, just making the punty end nice and juicy hot, and attaching it to the cooler pendant. And this way you'll make a cold seal, which will make this the punty very easy to take off once you flame cut this. So I'm going to flame cut here and pull out some rod with some twisty pink glass still left in it, so it'll become part of the pendant. And again, there are different ways of doing this. I like to use the pendant itself to make the loop. You could use colored rod and use a tungsten pick to make a hole, or you could use like a thinner rod and make loops out of those. There's so many different ways of doing it, but I like the artwork to be part of the loop, so I just go ahead and pull that out, and now just bending it over with my tweezers, and I'm going to tack weld it, and then just go in with that heat and make it a good hot seal connection. Once you're done, you can just round out the hole with your reamer, and you are good to go. Alright, almost to the size that I want it to be. And once it's good size, just tap off that hot seal. I mean, not the hot seal, tap off your cold seal, it's a cold seal. And fire polish the end in case there's any residue left by that cold seal, just fire polish it back into your pendant. And now I'm going to try to get it in the camera for everyone. I'm back, everyone, and thanks so much for checking out the teardrop pendant video. And I want to just say a big thank you to all of you who subscribe to my videos, to my channel, and who have left me comments. You know, I find it to be very helpful, and you know, I just appreciate that, you know, you guys are actually watching what I'm posting, which is very encouraging. And yeah, thank you so much for that support and your kindness, and let me know what you guys want to see. If you're interested in learning how to blow glass, please see my website. There's a link down below in the description to thefusingshop.com, or you could send me an email at yourock@thefusingshop.com. You know, check out some stuff that we do. We have a bunch of time slots available. My shop is outside my home, so I could fit your schedule. Just, you know, again, send me a text or give me a call, and I'll be happy to work with you. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.